Dear students, in this session we shall work on problem based on geometric progression. In a GP, the ninth term is 32,805 and the sixth term is 1215. Find the 12th term. Solution. We know that the general form of the nth term of a GP is going to be Tn equals a into r raised to the power n minus 1. Now since the ninth term T9 equals 32,805, by making use of this general formulae, we can therefore write a into r power 8 to be equal to 32,805. We will have it as step number 1. In the same way, since the sixth term is going to be 1215, we can therefore write a into r raised to the power 5 to be equal to 1215. We will have it as step number 2. Now dividing equation number 1 by equation number 2, that is a into r power 8 whole divided by a into r power 5 equals 32,805 divided by 1215. We note that in the left hand side of the above step, a and a cancels off, leaving us r power 8 by r power 5, which is equal to r cube. Also in the right hand side of the above step, we note that 32,805 whole divided by 1215 can be simplified and rewritten as 6,561 whole divided by 243. Here we have divided both the numerator and the denominator by the factor 5. In our next step, we will divide 6,561 by 3, also 243 by 3. That gives the value to be 2,187 divided by 81. Next, on dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 3, once again we have the value to be 729 by 27. Again dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3, we have the value to be 243 by 9, and further again dividing both the numerator and denominator by 3, we note that the value equals 81 by 3. But what is 81 by 3? It is equal to 27. Therefore we have now r cube value to be equal to 27. But 27 can be rewritten as 3 cube. Now since r cube equals 3 cube, we can therefore write r value equals 3. How did we get r value to be equal to 3? Because in the above step, since the powers are the same, we can equate the bases. That is how we have the value of r to be equal to 3. Now let us substitute the value of r equals 3 in either step number 1 or step number 2. Here we will substitute it in equation number 2. Thus we have a into 3 raised to the power 5 to be equal to 1215. But what is 3 raised to the power 5? It is equal to 243. Therefore our next step becomes a into 243 to be equal to 1215, which means a value equals 1215 whole divided by 243, that is equal to 5. Now we know the value of r to be equal to 3, a value to be equal to 5. Now having known the values of a and r, we are required to find the 12th term. We know that the general formula for nth term of a GP equals a into r raised to the power n minus 1. So using that same formula, we have T12 to be therefore equal to 5 into 3 raised to the power 12 minus 1. That will be equal to 5 into 3 raised to the power 11. Therefore the 12th term of the geometric progression will now be equal to 5 into 3 raised to the power 11. Thank you, students.